motors have an extra component called a capacitor.
Yeah, it's like a.
Get me educated on it.
It's like a battery.
Okay.
It's there to give a boost to get the motor going.
For starting.
And
Like
operate.
coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
It's the coffee of the ignore world, the capacitor. Okay.
So you have start capacitors and you have run capacitors, and they're to assist the motor and for it to operate like it needs to.
Okay.
It's pretty much what it does.
So if the capacitor is off by 15–20%, it would make the motor do what?
Well, it's gonna make the motor run hot, pretty much. The amp draw of it's gonna be higher. It's gonna get hot.
So that amp draw is telling you something else.
Yeah.
It could lead you, the little string could lead you to a bad capacitor.
That's right.
That you don't know about until July the 4th. It happens. Probably, a lot of things we've noticed over the years, if an air conditioner breaks when it's really hot outside, 70% of the time it's what?
Capacitor.
Capacitor. So if you get your capacitor checked every year or twice a year, and there's a way of checking it, isn't it?
Yeah. You have to have a voltmeter or capacitor checker that reads the microfarads, and you check them across the terminals on the capacitor, and it gives you a reading, and you can compare it to where. And if we see something that's below the manufacturer specs, then we'll note it and let you know, and you have the option for us to replace it or deny it.
So plus we have all this in our computers too. So if you call up, let's say you sold your house, and we put your system in 10 years ago and you sold it. Well, we got the records on it. So if you're a homeowner just moved into this area, we know the history of your unit. But that's why you keep good records.